Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. On hot summer days when friends are over, it's always nice to enjoy a cold drink together. I'm sure you have your favorites, but if you want something totally different, smooth, fruity, and refreshing, I have exactly what you're looking for. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Spanish Sangria. Prepared a day or two ahead of time, this is the perfect cocktail recipe for summertime. Not overly sweet, this lovely drink goes down pretty well. Actually, probably too well. I have to warn you, be careful because as smooth and refreshing as it is, it still has some kick to it. So my friends, let's get mixing. In a tall pitcher, we'll combine lemon slices, orange slices, apple cubes, a bottle of dry red wine, some brandy, then orange juice, and triple sec. We'll give a good stir so everything is well mixed, and we'll cover the top tightly with plastic wrap. Then we'll transfer to the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. Personally, I prefer to leave it for 2 days. All right, couple days later, we'll continue with the mixology. So we'll pour in 7-Up. You can also use ginger ale or soda, and some ice cubes. We'll give a good stir and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Spanish Sangria. This refreshing cocktail is perfect on hot summer days. Smooth and fruity, but not overly sweet, this alcoholic beverage is sure to please you and your friends. It goes down pretty well, so please drink responsibly. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!